What's going on, everyone? Got another reset for you today. TCL K32. Pretty cool phone. Don't really see it often, but it is a decent phone, some decent specs. So if you have one of these and you got a pattern or password that you forgot what it is and you got to do a hard reset, I'll teach you how to do that. Just a heads up, guys, we have a ton of phones that we're working slowly through to get up with some hard reset videos and teardown videos. So if there's anything in particular you guys want to see, just drop a comment and we'll try to get that up for you sooner than later. Or if you're having trouble with something, we'll try to help you out as much as we can. But I figured I'd give you guys that heads up. And lastly, I'm sure you guys are aware, but when we do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you got anything important on there, it's definitely going to get deleted. So just keep that in mind. So let's get right into it. We got to turn off the phone first. So hold the power button. That's one of those volume up and power buttons. Okay. Hold volume up and power button. So we got volume buttons right here. Volume down, or sorry, volume up, volume down, power button. When the phone turns off, this one's a little bit different. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take our USB-C cable, we got one hanging right here, and we're gonna hold volume up, which is right here, and then plug the phone in. Now you can do it plugged into a computer or a wall. I got it plugged into the wall, so just so you guys know how I'm doing it. All right, phone will vibrate. Just keep holding the volume up. Basically, I want to hold it until it gets into that reset menu. All right, we're there. So now at this point, you can unplug the phone. Make it a little bit easier to work with. And we have our reset menu, and we want to use the volume buttons to scroll and the power button to select. So we're going to scroll down to wipe data factory reset, hit the power button, confirm, hit the power button. And now the phone is wiping. Until it's done, it's all done. We can either reboot or power off. I'm gonna just reboot. Oop. See, I pressed the wrong button. Reboot. And that will take us back to the welcome screen. We can navigate it to the home screen. So that is how we do a hard reset on a TCL K32. A little bit different than normal, but you know, some of these are different. You never know. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you could like, subscribe, share, we'd appreciate all that. Otherwise, let's talk to you guys soon. Until next time. Thanks for watching.